OIM highs at 46.17. Man, we're going to open just over the OM highs. We're going to open just over this PCL here. We're going to open just over the 20. Nice dip reversal. That's going to draw that 60 right up. We get that close top of the hour. We're going to have a nice steep 920 cross too because of this. Even if we dip into that 46.17, you know, that's the 240. I like it. Everything about it, man.
Order filled.
I'm getting a little bit. I took some profits and then I'm adding a piece here. Got me a little bit more on. I've got a swing on from yesterday that's up nice. So I got some of those sold. Didn't get a full fill, but it's all right. I paid myself. I'm going to take some more profits up here if we can get up into the 20 area again, just in case we fail. So we get up here around that high is around 22 again. Anyway, like I said, I've got my profit stop sitting down here on the swings. All of them are up nice. One of them, I've got 2 strikes on. One of them is the monthly, so I'm not stopping out of that one. Let's go. That's what we need. Tech participation at the top of the hour. SPX taking off. I like this. SPX taking off before the top of the hour, right? I like it, man. That's a good sign. 40 now, right? We're going to get up here and get in that 40. So I'll be taking profits. If we can get this break of the opening range, I want to take profits into the 15 has a 36 and a 27, but I'm really more interested in the hourly. If we can close this hour over, looks like we're going to get a little dip into 17. We have a whole nother hour and my target's going to be 40. My target is, we're coming up on my 37 on the 15, blew right through it. Or 27 on 15, we blew right through it. Coming up to 36 next. I mean, lift the offer, boys. Let's go all the way to 40. If we hit 40 in the first, 10 minutes of this hour, why would I want to, I'm going to take profits, but why would I want to sell everything? I'm not. I mean, there's no reason to believe that my next target won't get hit. 53 is the next one. That's why I like to have multiple strikes. That's why combos are so powerful. We get this pullback here. Hit profit stops on one, but I can have different stops in different places, with different strikes. It's gorgeous, man. That's why combos, another reason combos are so powerful. You get up around targets. 15 minutes in, and we almost tested 53.